I don't know if you've heard, but Instagram is changing. We all know, and some of us love Instagram, but recently it's been announced that Instagram is changing more drastically and more rapidly than anyone ever imagined it would. Even the CEO seems surprised by what they discovered. Instagram, for those who don't know, is or was born as a photo sharing app, a place for showing off your life in photo form, helped and polished by the addition of filters and effects to make even the most ordinary photographer armed with just their phone to appear half decent. Well, according to the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, Instagram is no longer built on the foundations of photos. Instagram is now the place for video. But while that may not surprise too many of you, platforms have been spruiking the love of video for a while now because they can run more ads on them. What's interesting about this latest announcement is that the feedback, the data, came from a survey of Instagram users. So unlike other Facebook announcements, where they announce and entice users to new experiences, this announcement is user-generated feedback. Users claimed the number one reason they use Instagram is for entertainment, and they want that entertainment in video form. So in order to stay ahead of rivals TikTok and YouTube Shorts, Instagram will now be looking to prioritize video content with greater reach and frequency in the newsfeed. And that, my friends, is what I call an opportunity. Don't let it slide by. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.